जगांतले टॉप 10 थरारक ऑफ रोड सर्तींतली एक म्हणून रेन फॉरेस्ट चॅलेंज ऑफ मलेशियाचे नाव आसा। RFC इंडिया सुरू करून आता 3 वर्सां जाल्या। अंदू चौथे सर्तीक बऱ्यापैकी रिस्पॉन्स मेळ्ळा अशें आयोजकांनी पत्रकार बसकेंत सांगलें।
We have 40 teams from all over India, including one team from all the way in Arizona in the US, who've come to participate in this chapter of RFC. In the first 2 years, we had 22 teams. Last year, we had 30, and this year, 40. So it's only growing and growing the way we want to. We also made some changes in the event format, just to keep it fresh, just to make it more interesting for participants. Earlier, if you remember, we used to start with the spectator stages right here across at the IT park for the first 2 days, and then we used to move into the jungles and into the campsites where the competition used to become more intense. This year, we reversed the format and we will move away from here straight after the flag off tomorrow. We will go and compete in the jungles and come back here to do the last 2 special stages and decide the champion in front of you.
I've been participating for last 3 seasons of RFC. In terms of difficulties, yes, every year it has been difficult and the stages have been impossible at times. So as a goal, yes, and this year they have been planning to support a lot. Let's see what happens. They said they are coming with a convoy on the first day. I expect a lot of support, and we are 3 at the moment. Before I used to be alone.